EasyShift pays for simple store-checking tasks, and some shifts can pay between $5 and $20 for work that takes less than 15 minutes. That makes it one of the faster microtask apps if you live in an active area. By the end of this, you'll know how EasyShift works, how the pay actually looks, and whether it's worth installing in 2026. EasyShift is a mystery shopping and retail audit app. Brands use it to check displays, prices, and stock levels in stores. Your job is to go to the location, follow instructions, take photos, and submit the task. The setup is simple. Download the app, create your account, and allow location access. That's how EasyShift finds available shifts near you. Most jobs are local, so your city matters a lot. Bigger cities usually have more listings. The fastest way to earn is by understanding the pay structure. EasyShift labels jobs by difficulty and urgency. Basic tasks like snapping a product display might pay on the lower end. More detailed audits usually pay more because they take longer and need better documentation. The biggest advantage is speed. A lot of users like EasyShift because payments are usually faster than some survey apps. Once your shift is approved, the payout process is straightforward. But approval depends on accuracy. That's where people lose money. If the app asks for 6 photos, submit 6 clear photos. If it asks for barcode scans, don't skip them. Incomplete submissions usually get rejected. Here's how to make it worth your time. First, check the app daily. New shifts can disappear fast. Second, stack tasks in the same area. If you can complete 3 $8 shifts in one shopping trip, that's way better than driving across town for one. Third, focus on high-rating performance. EasyShift tracks your quality, and better ratings can lead to better opportunities. Now, the downside. Work is inconsistent. Some weeks are packed. Some weeks are empty. This is not a full-time income app. It works better as side cash for errands you are already doing. Compared to apps like GigWalk or Field Agent, EasyShift is easier to start but depends heavily on your location. So here's the quick summary. EasyShift is legit. It pays for local retail tasks, and it's best when you can stack multiple jobs in one trip. Your next step is simple. Download it. Check your local map, and test one low-risk shift first. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more honest app reviews and money-making app breakdowns.